Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about Yottamaster. Basically 10-in-1 multifunction docking station for Mac and PC. The reason I purchased this, I own a Mac Mini M2, which I use for my graphic works and stuff. And recently I decided to move all my work from PC to my Mac. So I needed to operate 3 monitors. This is hopefully going to enable me to use 3 monitors with my Mac Mini M2. As you know, Mac Minis and MacBooks, they all have limitation of maximum 2 monitors unless you have a device like this. Comes in 3 colors. I think I ordered the dark gray or a silver color. I'm not sure what's going to come out of this. Has a USB-C interface. There's a digital port, 2 digital ports, 2 HDMI 2 ports, 1 gig internet port, 3.5 millimeter audio port, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and USB-C power delivery 3.0 up to 100 watts. It looks like a pretty good machine. I bought this for $129 from Amazon. Well, let's go ahead and open it together, see what comes out of it. Basically, I'll be using the Thunderbird, I think, on Mac. I'm a new Mac user. Please don't hold me up for if I make a mistake. Anyway, Thunderbird or port is going to be one of the monitors. Actually, HDMI. This is going to go to Thunderbird port, and then it's going to go from there. These 2 HDMI. It's going to go 2 of my monitors and a single HDMI from the Mac Mini to one of my monitors. Looks pretty cool. This is actually the silver color, made out of aluminum. Here's a digital port. Here's a gigabit port, another digital port, display port, an HDMI port, display port 2, also HDMI. Here are the USB 3.2 ports. And here's the Type-C power delivery port right here. And here's the 3.5 millimeter audio port. I'm mainly buying this for the, maybe these and the 2 HDMI ports and USB-A ports. This is removable, typical fashion. Yeah, and this is 10 gigabytes per second speed on this. Whoops. Yeah, pretty cool. And it uses DisplayLink software. Also out of the box, there's a little Yottamaster user manual, part Chinese, other side is English. All right, let me go ahead and hook this up, find out if it works or not. All right, here's the Mac Mini. I removed the HDMI to Type-C port because other port I'm using it with my 40 gig drive. All right, here's my Mac Mini. I removed the Type-C to HDMI connection. I'll be using one of the ports over here. Gosh, I should look it up if this is Thunderbird or Thunder something. This Mac terminology is killing me. Anyway, there we go. It's connected. After connecting the cables, I basically went to this website, synaptics.com/product/DisplayLink-graphics/downloads, and selected Mac OS. And once I download that software, I'm basically agreeing everything to install this. Here it is, installed. Sure. All right, after installing DisplayLink, basically I got 3 monitors extended with Mac Mini. Here goes. Perfect. And if I go to displays, it's clearly right here. I got all 3 displays. Excellent. Okay, finally I can retire my Dell XPS and fully focus on Mac Mini. This duality was really crippling me learning the Mac OS. I really want to keep that as my main computer and learn it. Only thing I need to do is reorganize my whole desk and start discovering the Mac world. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this. Sorry for the mess. Hopefully this will help someone who's in the same situation as I am, wants to connect 3 monitors to their Mac Mini M1, M2, or any other ones. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help me grow. Have a great day.